This is a dry cleaner's guide for cleaning Uggs at home, and it's actually much easier than you may think, plus the results are pretty amazing. This pair of black Uggs were heavily stained with just about everything, some food, salt from road slush, and cat urine, which made it hard to the touch. A lot of people think that leather will get ruined by water, but that just isn't true. Water is used in just about every step to make leather, and most leather reacts just fine to it. To begin, I'll work in a neutral lubricant, water with some dish soap mixed in, to loosen everything up, and then rinse and lightly scrub so the larger stains like dirt and lint are washed away. For the more difficult stains, I'll use an enzymatic stain remover, then tamp it in and let it sit for an hour to ensure the enzymes have time to do their thing. Then I'll wash on a delicate cycle with a wool and cashmere detergent, a bit of fabric conditioner, and then my last trick, some powdered black dye to add some color back into the suede. This step is optional, and I was basically doing a little test, but it seemed quite helpful given that these were black and lost some color. Once the wash cycle was complete, I took them out and they looked and felt really good out of the washer. I was touching it here to see if any loose black dye was coming off and might cause some dye transfer stains, but all good there. So I stuffed it with some towels to give it some shape and let them air dry overnight. Once fully dry, you can see they look a little bit shiny, but scratching it lightly turns it back into its original matte finish. This is because the nap of the suede has fallen over due to the weight of water, but a bit of rubbing with a suede stone or a soft brush or a lint brush will sort this out. And the fur lining looks surprisingly great. I just hit it with a sanitizer spray to remove any lingering foot odors. Overall, I'm really happy with how they came out, and they might not look brand new, but they're definitely usable and much improved. I don't recommend this process for all leather, but I hope you feel empowered to clean your Uggs at home now.